So it's time for your divorce or custody mediation, and you're worried about the idea of having to be in the same spaces as your ex, someone who maybe you're not feeling comfortable or even safe around. What can you do to help take the edge off that anxiety and lift some of the emotional weight? I'm Ryan Reed. I'm a mediator with Cedar Ridge Solutions Family Mediation Service, and I can tell you that if the thought of sitting across a conference room table or even down the hallway from your spouse or your co-parent makes your stomach feel like it's in a knot, then you're not alone. Most mediators in the South Central Kentucky area here where I practice usually don't have the spouses or co-parents in the same room for a literal face-to-face session in most cases. But for so long, getting everybody into the same area was the only way to mediate family law disputes here and elsewhere. But as an experienced attorney and mediator who has guided both my own clients and other families through these transitions, I have seen an important shift. As most of us learned since the days of COVID shutdowns, secure video conferencing technology isn't just a backup plan for medical appointments or meetings, but the same even goes for mediations, where gathering virtually can be the very best way to set the stage for reaching a successful resolution. One of the biggest hurdles in any family court cases is that emotional weight of being in the same physical space as your adversary. Even in the best of circumstances, the shared walk to the waiting room or to the conference room, those things can trigger anxiety that really can shut down the problem-solving part of your brain. Even if it's not on that level of anxiety, it fills lots of folks with dread and other difficult emotions. Online mediation maybe cannot completely remove that discomfort, but I'm here to tell you that in my experience, it can dramatically reduce it. I think one of the reasons why is that you can participate in this process from your own living room, your home office, or really any quiet space where you feel safe and in control. You can wear more comfortable clothes, you can have your pets nearby if that's your thing. You can basically be in a situation where your surroundings aren't some kind of an obstacle to a clear head and to problem solving. In my experience conducting and participating in these virtual mediations, I've decided that I think this physical distance actually brings people to the process in a mindset of being ready to reach an agreement. When you're in your own environment with your own coffee and your own supportive surroundings, your stress levels, they stay lower. And I've told my participants, a relaxed mind can be a problem-solving mind. When you aren't worried about who you might bump into in the hallway, you can focus entirely on the future of your children and a fair division of your assets and all the other matters that have to be decided. There's also the simple issue of convenience. Kentucky is a large state. Travel can be a burden sometimes. With online mediation, there is no commute. There's no parking issues. There's no need to take time off from work just for travel. We simply log on and get started. So I want to assure you that while the meeting location has changed from in-person to virtual, the integrity of the process has not. I use secure encrypted platforms to ensure your privacy, and just like in a physical office, I use virtual breakout rooms that mimic the way that we provide separate physical conference spaces for each side. And this allows me to speak with each side privately, ensuring the same confidential and structured negotiation takes place, just with the added comfort that maybe you're in your own home or your office. If you're looking for a path forward that prioritizes your peace of mind and your schedule, online mediation may be the perfect fit for you. I look forward to helping you find that path forward, and if you're ready to try and find solutions, then try Cedar Ridge Solutions.